Hello guys, how are you? Today's video we're gonna to show you the best budget top 3 programming laptops. I made this video based on my research to find out more information about these products. You can check out the description below. All the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. Make sure you watch the whole video. Click the like button and subscribe our channel. Number 3 on our list is Dell XPS 139360. This is a prime example of a superb laptop with exceptional value both. The bottom surface and the lid are made from first-grade CNC aluminum that comes in 2 different colors, gold or silver depending on your choice. The deck, the back hinge and the sides are all made from high-quality carbon fiber. The deck itself really stands out here with a subtle crosshatch pattern and a comfortable palm rest. You will get an enjoyable experience even after lengthy coding sessions. The screen has a notable infinity edge display. And this is one of the key trademarks of this particular build. You will also get a small but practical webcam right beneath the screen. The hinge itself is nothing short of outstanding and it just contributes to an even higher quality. In the long run the build is more than great. You will get an Intel Lake i5-7200U dual-core processor with 8GB of LPDDR3 SD RAM. Besides that, you will also get 128GB of storage as well as great Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. And the OS, as you may have expected. This laptop comes with a Windows 10 Home 64-bit edition. Overall, Dell XPS 139360 is a great laptop for programming. And it's an outstanding solution for both software and web developers. Second in our list is Asus ZenBook 13. Our choice for the best laptop for programming under $1,000, if your budget is limited but you still want an outstanding laptop for programming. You may want to give Asus ZenBook 13 a chance. The laptop has a dark navy blue color scheme and it looks absolutely amazing. You will get a shiny layer at the top that may feel like plastic. But it provides stunning glass-like effects. It's a real feast for one's eyes as a result. However, the display may become dirty pretty fast, but that doesn't make the design any less beautiful. When you open the laptop, you will see a 13.3-inch 1080p display with a thick bezel. You will also find a pure aluminum chassis, a fingerprint reader, and an outstanding island-style keyboard. You will even get a one-touch login via Windows Hello as well. The laptop is equipped with the latest Intel i5-8250U 1.6 GHz processor. This is an 8th generation processor with a turbo boost of up to 3.4 GHz, so if you're an Android developer and you need more speed, this processor is ready to help you out. You will also get 256 GB SATA SSD and 8 GB of DDR3 RAM. The GPU is NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 and the OS is as usual Windows 10. Overall, if you're looking for an optimal laptop for programming that is functional and affordable, at the same time Asus ZenBook 13 is the best for you. Third on our list is MSI GS65. The last product on the list of the best laptops for programming is MSI GS65 Core i7-8750H processor with 2.2 GHz. Once again, you will have a turbo boost as well. And in that case you can expect a steady performance at 4.1 GHz. The GPU is a powerful NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060. Not only is this graphics card great for programming, but it's great for gaming and video editing as well. You will also get 16 GB of DDR4 memory. But you can upgrade it to 32 GB. If you wish. Speaking of storage, you can expect a solid 256 GB of hard drive space, which is more than enough for any serious programmer. You will also get a high-quality 15.6-inch FHD display with an ultra-thin bezel. You will even get special anti-glare effects that will increase the overall experience tenfold. The bottom line is that with this build, you can be sure that your laptop will last at least up to a decade, so it's certainly a worthy investment. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in future. Goodbye.